This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting mid-process, so do these essentials now. Charge the Aftershokz to a workable level and open your phone's Bluetooth screen. Power the headset by pressing and holding the multifunction button for about 3 seconds. Watch the LED flash red then blue, that's pairing mode. Once the light pattern appears, keep the phone's Bluetooth page visible. Make sure airplane mode is off and other nearby headsets are disconnected. This setup ensures the headset broadcasts its name and avoids interference, so the phone can see it immediately. Once the headset is flashing red/blue and your phone shows available devices, tap the entry that begins with Aftershokz. The phone may ask to pair, enter PIN0000 if a code is requested, or just accept the prompt. This verifies the connection and prevents accidental links. After pairing, make sure the phone grants both call and media audio permissions so music and calls route correctly. If you plan to use multiple devices, remember Aftershokz often supports one active connection and one standby. Finish by playing a track and speaking into your phone to confirm music and call audio work. Adjust the frame for a secure, comfortable bone conduction seal so sound is clear. Next, open the Aftershokz app to check for firmware updates and tweak equalizer settings. Updates fix bugs and improve connectivity. If anything goes wrong, reset the headset. Hold the multifunction button for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then re-enter pairing mode. That reset clears stale links and resolves most stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.